Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject chemistry, class 11th. In this video we'll see about ideal gas equation. The three laws which we have learned till the previous video can be combined together in a single equation which is known as ideal gas equation. So as you know, ideal gas obeys the gas laws which we have studied, like Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro law. So if we combine all the laws together, then we'll get ideal gas equation. तो हमें आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन प्राप्त होती है। और ABC या BCA, आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन में कौन कौन से लॉ लगते हैं, तो हम BCA, बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, या BCA इन शॉर्ट याद रख सकते हैं। तो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को ऑब्टेन करने के लिए हमको BCA या बॉयल, चार्ल्स एंड एवोगैड्रो लॉ तीनों को एक साथ कंबाइन करना पड़ेगा। तो बॉयल्स लॉ क्या बोलता है? At constant temperature and if the number of moles of gas are constant, then the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas. So V is inversely proportional to 1 upon P. Now by Charles law states that at constant pressure and if the number of moles of gas are constant, then volume of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature of the gas in degree Kelvin. And at constant pressure and temperature, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of gas particle or molecule. So these three laws are Boyle, Charles and Avogadro law, and if we combine these three, thus we get V is proportional to N into T upon P, and if we remove proportionality sign, so we have multiplied by a constant R, so we will get equation 5.15 and 5.16. where R is the proportionality constant. On rearranging the equation 5.16, we obtain PV is equal to nRT, or R is equal to PV upon NT. R is called gas constant. It is same for all gases. Therefore, it is also called universal gas constant. And equation 5.17 is called ideal gas equation. That is, PV is equal to nRT. So what is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. Equation 5.18 shows that the value of R depends upon units in which P, V and T are measured. R का मान प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम और टेम्परेचर जिस यूनिट में नापा जाता है उसके हिसाब से होता है। इफ़ द थ्री वेरिएबल्स इन दिस इक्वेशन आर नोन, यदि इस समीकरण में हमको तीन वेरिएबल्स पता हो तो फोर्थ कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन PV is equal to nRT, where P is the pressure of gas, V is the volume of the gas, N is the number of moles of gas molecules, R is the universal gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature of gas in Kelvin. Now at constant temperature and pressure, n is the number of moles of any gas, will have the same volume because V is equal to nRT upon P, where N, R, T and P are constant. The above equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, PV is equal to nRT, PV is equal to nRT. Why I am writing again and again? So that you will learn it by heart. It is used so many times, so you must remember PV is equal to nRT. In class 12th you will study about osmotic pressure, so P is replaced by pi, so pi V is equal to nRT, or pi is equal to CRT, n upon V. So it is used in class 12th also in chapter 2. So this equation will be applicable to any gas under those conditions when behavior of the gas approaches ideal behavior. तो कुछ ऐसी कंडीशंस होती हैं जब गैस, कोई भी गैस जो है आइडियल गैस की तरह बिहेव करने लगती है, तो हम ये इक्वेशन अप्लाई करते हैं उस गैस के ऊपर, पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन आर टी. Now volume of 1 mole of an ideal gas under STP, standard temperature and pressure condition, that is 273.15 Kelvin, and 1 bar pressure is always 22.710981 liter per mole. The value of R for 1 mole of an ideal gas can be calculated under these conditions as follows. So if we put all the values which we have taken in the ideal gas equation, so the value of R, प्रेशर की जगह 10⁵ पास्कल लिख दिया है हमने. This is volume 22.71 into 10⁻³ cubic meter. We have taken the 1 mole of a gas and its absolute temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. So if we simplify this, we will get 8.314 Pascal meter cube Kelvin inverse mole inverse. यदि पास्कल की जगह हम बार यूनिट यूज़ करें और वॉल्यूम में क्यूबिक मीटर की जगह लीटर यूज़ करें, तो यूनिट जो है बार, लीटर, केल्विन इन्वर्स, मोल इन्वर्स हो जाएगी. At standard temperature and pressure